Icom ID-52A Plus, updated information. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The other day, I received an email from Gigaparts with some updated information regarding the Icom ID-52A Plus. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, I received this email from Gigaparts the other day with some updated information on the Icom ID-52A Plus. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here. Now, the email says there's an ID-52A Plus and there's an ID-52A Plus LE. Now, let's go ahead and find out what the differences are. Now, this is the Icom ID-52 Plus 60th Anniversary Limited Edition. So the LE stands for Limited Edition, and it is $729.95. You can take a look at it here. It's a different color. There's a metallic color on the body. It has a nice box out there. It has a nice leather strap on that as well. And it pretty much, that information confirms it down here. Metallic covered body, stylish upgrade that enhances the visual appeal. Exclusive embossed hand leather strap adds a touch of luxury and comfort. Commemorative box, a collector's item that highlights Icom's legacy of excellence. Okay, now here is the base model for $50 less. It's $679.95. Icom ID-52A Plus, okay? And the specs between the two are the same. And again, note the differences. The body is different in this. It doesn't have that hand strap or the bag. That's the difference that you get for $50. Now let's go ahead back and take a look at the main body of the email. Now, that additional information, it states if you pre-order this today, the Icom ID-52A Plus ships in September. And if you order the Icom ID-52A Plus LE, it ships in August. Question of the day. What did you think of Icom ID-52A Plus updated information? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 threes, everyone.